What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of the Growth Lounge. Tonight I want to talk about HYLIION. So HYLIION got me good. I bought HYLIION originally when it was I bought it at 17 and I sold it at 24. This was about 4 months back. After I sold it at 24, it went down to like 19. I bought it back at 23. I bought some more, a little less. 23 was my average. Bought some a little more, but 23 was my average. With HYLIION, I put, after I sold it the first time, I had 17,000 in it. Still have 17,000 in it of my own money. So I had 17,000 in it. It was at 23 average. HYLIION went to $50. I didn't sell it. Something told me to, but I didn't sell it. We saw an email, we saw a tweet a couple weeks back from Thomas Healy, right? This guy, the 27-year-old CEO, huh? Fasten your seatbelts. Well, I fastened my seatbelt. I fastened it that day. Yup. Went straight to hell with the rest of us. With HYLIION. Took a HYLIION truck straight to hell. Right? Straight to hell. So I was up on my position when it was at 50. I was up 24,000. Something told me to sell. I didn't. It went to 40. He said, fasten your seatbelts. I said, all right. Click, click. And we took that roller coaster straight to hell. Am I holding HYLIION for the long term? Yes. I'm holding in HYLIION for the long term. Do I still believe in it? Yes, I do. Am I paying attention to any of these short articles that came out, these fraud allegations? No. HYLIION, I think, is gonna be one of the stocks that, give or take 2-3 years down the line, with what they have going, I see it hitting $80 and up, but it's gonna take a bit to recover from this roller coaster ride that Hilly put us on. But I'm still holding long and strong. Am I adding to it? Hell no. I'm not adding a single share to HYLIION. Fasten your seatbelts. This guy, Thomas, should have kept being the quiet guy and not tweeting anything. And this guy said he's going to start tweeting, being more social. He should have just kept his mouth shut and not said anything, because that was a bad look. That was not a good look. Not a good look, Tommy. Fasten your seatbelts, huh? A lot of people fasten them, Tommy. Not a good look. Next time, he ain't said a word since then, huh? He said something today. I forgot what it was, but I don't want to hear from you no more, Tommy. Actions, no more words, please. It was better off like that. Ding, 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 ringing that bell, having fun, huh? Let's see some more actions besides that bell dinging, Tommy. I never thought I would ever see my average price again. We went from 50 back down to my average price, $23. That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. I'm not buying another single share of HYLIION. Get your stuff together, Tommy. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. We don't play it safe here at the lounge. We get this money. Let's get this money, Tommy.